Hi guys, today I'm making crispy eggplant and potato and this is known as a Baigan Alloo. Now I'm going to show you which ingredient I need. So I have a 2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. I have a 2 teaspoon of mango powder. I have a 3 teaspoon of coriander powder. I have a 1 teaspoon of chili. I have some potatoes cut like this size of potato. I show you I have some baby eggplant. So you have to cut like in the middle one cut, then another side you have to cut like one cut here and one cut here. See, one cut here, one cut here and one cut here. All cutting is done. I'm going to show you how to put the masala in the eggplant. Now I'm going to take a big bowl and I'm going to mix up all this ingredient in this bowl. I put salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, garam masala, mango, coriander, chili flakes. I'm going to mix all of that like that with the hand. I'm going to show how I fill up in the eggplant. I'm taking this eggplant and open this one and put like this little like only like that, and then I have put here like that, and then I put little bit here like that. Now I'm going to put the pan on the gas and put the high heat. I'm going to add mustard oil like at least 2-3 spoon. Now I'm going to heat up this oil for 1 minute. My oil is already heat up. I'm going to add the eggplant one by one. I'm just going to cover this one with the plate and do my heat on the medium. It will 3 minutes, so I have to check my eggplant. I have to check from the bottom and I change the side. See, this one side is done. I already flip all my eggplant, so I'm going to cover it again for 2 more minutes. It already 2 minutes again. I'm going to check it again. So this side is done, so I have to flip like that. The side which is not done, so I have to flip like that. It was already 1 minute. I'm going to check which side is not done, so I have to change that side. You can checking your eggplant like that, and which side is not done, you have to do like that. You see, it is cooked from the inside, see, but not crispy from the outside. So that's why we have to change every time to do this crispy. Okay, I'm going to check again and just flip it again. The side I check which is not done, so I have to do like that. You can see all side is done. I'm going to take out this eggplant in the dish. I'm going to add the potato in the same oil. I have a leftover masala, so I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of masala in that and half more spoon. You can put according to your taste, and this is the leftover, this is extra. I have to cover this potato for 5 minutes. It's already 5 minutes. I'm going to check my potato now. You have to cook it until the potato is soft. I have to cover it again for 2 more minutes. It was already 2 minutes. I'm going to check it again. I'm going to cover is 2 minutes again. It's already more 2 minutes, so I'm going to check. Sometimes red potato takes time to soft it, so I have to cook 2 more minutes. I'm going to put the heat little bit high. The rest of the potato, I'm going to cook it more longer. I want to do all this crispy like this. Now my potato is crispy. I'm going to mix up all this eggplant and potato. It's time to close the gas.